Are you trying to spoof your location in Pokémon GO but keep getting the GPS location not found 11 error? This is a common issue that happens when the game can't detect a stable GPS signal during location spoofing. In this video, I'll show you how to fix this error and spoof your location in Pokémon GO more smoothly. The GPS location not found 11 error usually appears when Pokémon GO detects unstable or conflicting GPS data. While basic fixes like restarting the phone or checking location settings may sometimes help, they usually don't solve the issue when you're spoofing locations. So let's look at a more reliable solution, using a stable spoofing tool. If you frequently encounter the GPS location not found 11 error while spoofing, using a more stable location simulation tool can help. For example, some players use MagFone Location Changer to modify their device's GPS location more smoothly. Unlike unstable spoofing methods, this type of tool simulates GPS movement in a way that looks more natural to the game. Because the GPS location is generated more steadily, it can reduce errors like GPS location not found 11 during spoofing.